video, I'm going to show you how to market your affiliate link, how to start selling on our website with your affiliate link. What this means is you give somebody your affiliate link, they use that link to buy our product, and you get paid. The person also use the referral the did I just say referral code? Sorry, the coupon code given to the person, that's the customer, for the person to get a discount. So how do you get your affiliate link? There are three ways, but I'm going to show you two ways to do that. One is using your affiliate link. Okay, so this is your, just click on marketing, then affiliate links. Okay, now this is your affiliate link. This, just copy the whole this stuff and give it to and market it. Let's market it on social media, anywhere you want to market it, email. So this is what you give to a customer. Now the customer is your code. Once they use your code, watch, they use your code, your link rather, to buy. Now don't forget, when you register, we're going to send you coupon codes that you can give to your customers. This is what you use to compel them to buy your referral link. Or else they'll be like, why should I buy with your referral link? I can always go to the website and buy. But when you tell them that if they buy with your referral links, they are going to your referral links, and with your coupon code, they are going to get discount. I'm sure that will make them use your referral link. Okay, so the customer has used your referral link to get to our site, and let's buy a product. Let's just buy any product at random. Okay, so I want to get this product with your referral link and also the coupon code you have given to me as a potential customer. Okay, so I'm trying to buy this product as a customer. Okay, so I'm trying to check out as a customer. Okay, so I'm placing my order as a customer. Okay, so the coupon code you've given to me, that is the coupon code you give to your customer, will be applied here. This is for the video's sake. Apply coupon code. Okay, now notice what happened to my price. Yeah, you can see the initial price was 10,900. After applying the coupon code, the price is now 10,600. You see, that's a good reason for anybody to use your referral code. Okay, so as a customer, let me go ahead and place my order. Okay, I've gone back to my affiliate account page. Now let us refresh. Okay, so I've refreshed, and you can see you have one registered referrer. Now let's look at the details of the referral. Just go ahead, click on referral. Okay, so this is amount that you are going to be paid for that referral, and you just have one person. So it's as simple as that. Look at the details. It's as simple. The person has not been verified. It means the person's payment has not been verified. So I will go ahead and verify the customer's payment, and you will see that this will be verified. So I'll do that and also show you in the next video how to other ways to market your referral links.